Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. First damage done to the GR tonight. I know it's not a lot, but it's annoying. Lady swinging a handbag tonight, walked past my car, cut the number plate and bent it. Challenged her about it and she just walked off, not caring in the world. So it's annoying when you work hard for a nice car and somebody's attitude absolutely stinks. So now I've got to straighten my number plate out. So annoying. If I'd have done that to somebody's car, I'd have said, oh, I'll tell you what, I'll get you a new number plate. No, she just walked away, not a care in the world. I couldn't do that to somebody's car. All you've got to do is own up and say, sorry, I'll get you a new one made. I suppose at least it's not plastic one and it's snapped. I think what I'm going to do is put it in the press and straighten it out. Oh, one good thing, at least it's an aluminium number plate. And it has straightened out in the press. That lady's attitude absolutely stank. Hate somebody else damaging my car. If it's going to get damaged, it's me. I'm to blame. But when somebody else does it and then doesn't offer to fix it, annoying. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Like I've said before, it costs you absolutely nothing.